but for the sake of time, I'm just going to use F's, okay? So I have my 10 flamingos here in the watering hole, right? There's my 10. I have a 5 group on top, a 5 group on the bottom. It's like my 10 frame to show a 10 group. All right, and then 6 more fly in to have a feast with them. So I'm going to make 6 more F's here. Right? Here I have my 6 more F's. I did them in another 5 group here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1 more makes 6. So I have my 10 flamingos. 6 more equals how many altogether? Let's count them. Now, when we were little kindergarteners, we would have started with the number 1 and counted all of these flamingos first. But you already know how many flamingos are in this group. So do we have to start with 1, or can we count the whole group as a 10 group? That's right, we can count the whole group. So we call this what? 10. Good, count on. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Excellent job. All right, so now in your number bond, I want you to show me what 16 would look like using this picture. So we have 10 in one group, 6 in the other, makes 16. Go ahead and fill in your number bond and then check it with mine. 10 is one part, that's this group of flamingos. 6 is another part, that's this group of flamingos, equals 16 all together. Nice job. Good work. And if you want to stretch your brain and you want to write that in a number sentence, go for it. All right. When you're finished, go ahead and erase your boards. And I have a Guinness message for you. Okay? And it says, why do lions sleep in the grass? And I did it just like I have been without any lines. Okay? So what Guinness wants to say today is, why do lions sleep in the grass? All right, so I want you to take a look at this. What do you see that needs fixing? I see a few things. I bet you do too. All right, I'm going to circle the things that need fixing, and then we'll fix them together. Okay? Y needs fixing. Sleep needs fixing. In needs fixing. And the needs fixing, right? All right, so I want you to pause the video and I want you to go and try to fix this message that Guinness had. And then I want you to check back with me to see how you did. Why do lions sleep in the grass? Okay, I'm going to fix mine with green. That's how I know that I've done my work. I'm going to change the ones that are inside those orange circles to green. So Y is a memory bank word. Sleep needs a word pattern. What word pattern do you hear in sleep? Good. In is a memory bank word. And the is a memory bank word. While I'm writing it, you punch it out. Get those arms up. Oh, I love that you remembered. Thank you. All right, so here we go. When you're finished, check with mine. Why do lions sleep in the grass? Nice job. Good work. Why do lions sleep in the grass? What would you tell Guinness if he was asking you that question? If you were being the teacher and he was doing the learning. All right, my friends. Go ahead and get nice and cozy over in the grasslands on an African safari. I think we're going to hear about some African animals again. I wonder if they'll be the same or different than the ones we heard yesterday. Why don't you go ahead and do same and different while we're reading. Over in the grasslands, where they really can run, lived a friendly mother zebra and her little calf one. Whoops. Let me turn this a little bit so you can see the book a little better. There it is. Gallop, said the mother. I gallop, said the one. So they galloped on the plains, where they really can run. Ooh, that's a thumbs up. We heard that one yesterday. Over in the grasslands, where the acacia trees grew, lived a tall mother giraffe and her little calves too. Slurp, said the mother. We slurp, said the two. So they slurped up the leaves, where the acacia leaves grew. Over in the grasslands, running wild and swimming free, lived a huge mother elephant and her little calves three. Squirt, said the mother. We squirt, said the three. So they squirted with their trunks while running wild and swimming free. We saw the elephants yesterday. Over in the grasslands, where they ate more and more, lived a hungry mother hippo and her little calves four. Graze, said the mother. We graze, said the four. So they grazed on the plains, where they ate more and more. Thumbs up for the hippo too, right? Over in the grasslands, knowing how to survive, lived a proud mother lion and her little cubs five. Stalk, said the mother, and when somebody stalks, it's like they're hunting, they're watching and following. It's being sneaky. We stalk, said the five, so they stalked in the grass, knowing how to survive. Thumbs up for that guy too. Over in the grasslands, doing all kinds of tricks, lived an agile chimpanzee and her little baby six. Swing, said the mother. We swing, said the six. So they swung in the trees, doing all kinds of tricks. That's a thumbs down. If you remember yesterday was the baboon that we heard about. Over in the grasslands, in a tree that points to heaven, lived a pretty mother hornbill and her little chicks seven. Toot, said the mother. We toot, said the seven. So they tooted loud and long in the tree that points to heaven, kind of like a cactus. And I did not hear about the hornbills yesterday. Ooh, another new one. Over in the grasslands, where they often go out late, lived a busy mother aardvark and her little cubs eight. Dig, said the mother. We dig, said the eight. So they dug up some termites, where they go out often late. Another new one. Over in the grasslands, where they make a shrill whine, ee, lived a clever mother meerkat and her little pups nine. Watch, said the mother. We watch, said the nine. So they watched and they stood where they make a shrill whine, and a shrill whine is like a high-pitched scream. That was a new one, right? We didn't hear about the meerkat yesterday. Over in the grasslands, in the rocky-covered den, lived the cunning father jackal and his little pups 10. Yip, said the father. We yip, said the 10. So they yipped and they yapped near their rocky-covered den. Another new one. Cool. Over in the grasslands, come, let's take a peek. While their parents are all resting, the kids play hide and seek. Find us, say the children, from 10 to 1. Then go back and start over, 'cause this rhyme isn't done. Look for a hidden animal. You can spy with just your eyes to find more grassland creature. Every page has a surprise. All right, so I'm going to bring that close for you. If you want to hit pause, you can go ahead and find all those things they want you to find. How fun! How fun! And this is a fun story too that I got on Amazon. And it tells you, it gives you all these little facts about the animals that you just read about. Like all this cool information or research that helps you become master librarians, right? And then tips from the author and tips from the illustrator. Remember, what does the author do? Writes the story. Good. And what does the illustrator do? Good. Makes the pictures. All right, my friends. I want you to go and write about something you learned today. Draw me a picture. Show me something cool. All right, and remember to share the news about the animal or plant adaptations and compliment somebody at home. I feel happy when you... What? All right, I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful afternoon. Love you lots. Goodbye for now. Mwah.